Hey, what's up? I guess my ringtone will be the song Farewell by my cousin's group. A little bit different.
Don't cry no more, don't shed no tears. I'll always be here, say no to the fears. Life is short, I walk the walk, talk the talk, walk the Lord. Now I'm facing 4 years of my life. I remember, forgive me, Lord, for I've sinned. I might be leaving, but soon I will return. You're never coming back, I will change. Say goodbye, my love, my friend. Farewell is not forever, don't be sad. A simple smile can make a change. So put a smile on your face and be the best you can be. A true friend indeed. I live and learn. A part of you will always be with me. So listen to this track, reminisce, drink a beer for me. Time goes by, one day at a time. So live for the moment, never let the moment disappear. Farewell is not forever, forever will never be the same. Always on the chain, struggle each and every day. Keep my faith in God, looking forward to these better days. I'll always remember that smile on your face. I'll never
Yeah, I'll keep it short. Peace.